Microtech RAM-LOK. This is probably the most desirable Microtech this year. They sell out so quickly and they're pretty affordable. So it's not automatic knife. Usually it's assisted or automatic. This one has a button and it's easy to flick it out, and that's all the RAM-LOK means. So this is a Borka blade collaboration with Stitch, and this one has a frog design on it, or like pineapple look to it. There's a Borka logo, and I think there's a Microtech logo right here. Yes. M390 MK steel blade. There's the serial number and such. Oh wow, 112 or 6 2023. I got it at a blade show. Very happy to get one. Very hard to get. So flips this way really easy. Thumb stud of slow way to open it. I pull on both sides right here and flick it out. It's just so fidgety. I love it. Oh, still have to practice a little bit. Kind of getting tired or something, but there you go. It is such a comfortable knife. The Stitch, this is something to work on. Thumb rest over here with the like non-slip, and go like this way, or just hold it this way. Either way, cooking with it, cutting stuff, just a perfect knife. I love it. And the RAM-LOK is just beautiful too. Left hand, it just completely smooth out, and that's how it looks like. It's just a notch in there, locks in into that notch, and it locks in. And also RAM-LOK, there is MSI G10 orange. I have a couple of them. Really hard to get these ones. I've been wanting to get them for months, but they always sell out within minutes when the Microtech release them on their website or other websites. This is only $250, $280, depends on the serration. This one takes a minute to practice. I never seen this kind of design before. I wonder if it's just a new one. And same thing, RAM-LOK. Beautiful blade, comfortable, long enough to go camping with, cooking with it, work with the other stuff, cutting rope and such. This is number 65 05 20 23. They all have serial number, different locations sometimes. Let's see if I can do it with one finger. Yeah, I love it. That button is so soft and the knife is so smooth. One finger, two fingers, very fidgety. Let's see, it's like a thumb stud type of way to open it. Okay, yeah, very flippable, different ways to open and close it. I love it. Beautiful knife, RAM-LOK, incredibly desirable knife right here by Microtech.